Hello to everyone and welcome on this YouTube channel. So if you are discovering this channel through this video, let me present myself very fast. I'm called Paula Eve, a computer science and ICT teacher. So today we are starting with a new class on PowerPoint practical. So we call it presentation. So the first thing is to launch the software PowerPoint. So this is my software. So here actually I am on my desktop. So this is the software. So at the exam, if the software is not present here, everybody know how to do it. So you move on the search bar and you just type PowerPoint. So you meet the software there. Now, so step one, I'm going to click on the software. I'm going to right click. So this is the interface here. So nothing new normally because this is similar to what people are doing in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Access. In fact, all software of Microsoft Office are similar. So this is Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to click on blank presentation. Good. So this is the interface here. So surely if you are familiar with this, good. So the first thing here when you're creating is coming with a particular slide. So this is what we call a slide. So in presentation, all the different page in which we are going to write on is called a slide. Or when you are working, let us say with Microsoft Word, you'll be calling it the pages. Good. Now the question, what is the difference between something like maybe presentation and Microsoft Word? Good. So Microsoft Word is when you are doing a report, let me say it like that, or when you are creating document that are explaining, let us say something. Or presentation is when you are trying to express an idea, to share a vision with someone, you see. Good. So when you talk about slides are just like simplest pages having little information. So that is the aim of a slide. Simple page with little information. Meaning if you are doing your own slide and it's having a lot of information, in that case it's not more a slide there. It's not more nice. In fact, in that case, better move to Microsoft Word and do it. So this is the aim, because people should be understanding why are you studying PowerPoint, why are you studying presentation, how to create presentation. Good. So the software used to create presentation is called Microsoft PowerPoint. So there are many other software, but actually this is what people are going to study. So now I'm going to delete this slide. So I'm going to right click on that. I hope everybody is seeing here, delete slide. So I click. So the thing is empty. So in the exam, so I'm going to take an example with June 2024. So June 24 was a very easy question where they are giving you some slide and they're asking you to recopy it. So let me just open it fast. June 24, if I can see it very fast. June 2024. I think I'm having the paper. Okay, so the paper is not present here. In fact, so you people should move and look for June 2024 so you can be seeing how to solve it. It's very easy. So the question there is they are giving you slide and they're asking you to recopy it in Microsoft, in PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is all what they're asking you. So that is why I'm doing this video, so that at least you know how to create slide and how to write inside all. So this is how to do it. So you're going to move to home. I hope everybody is seeing a new slide. You see, I can click on these small things here. You see, so these are just design. If you want to create a slide with a particular design or you want to create a blank slide, so majority of the time you will create a slide using this title only, you see. So you click on that title only, so that there's a box already where you can be writing your title. You click there. Good. So this is a slide you're having here. So inside here you can be having your title. Let us say I am an ICT student. Good. Now the next question is that they can ask you to format this. Format, you know already how to format. So I can select this text. Wait, what am I doing? I can select this text and they can ask me to put it in center. They can ask you to put it bold. I hope everybody is following my cursor. They can ask you to change the size. So these are the questions they're asking in the exam. In fact, let us say 48. They can ask you to change the style to Algerian. I hope everybody has seen this. So these are the type of questions they ask in the exam, nothing else. Now, let us say this is the title here, but I want to write now another text down here. How am I going to do it? It's very easy. I'm going to move at this level here of insert. I hope everybody is seeing insert. Now, after insert, you move to text box. Everybody is seeing it. So this is similar to Microsoft Word. When you're having your text box, you move to your screen. You are going to click on the left click of your mouse. Don't even forget that the left click. Now you just move your mouse to create something like that, and you can be writing inside no matter what they are asking. Like June 2024, as I'm saying, they are asking you to create a slide and writing inside is all. Now let us say this is my first slide here and I want to fill the second slide which is similar to the first slide. I'm not going to create a new slide and repeat this step. No, what I'm going to do is I move on the first slide, I right click there. I'm going to see something like duplicate slide. You click on duplicate slide, it's going to duplicate it. I hope you are seeing that. In this case now you can modify the text inside. Let us say that this is giving you other text to put it there. Let us say even the title is different here. You can be writing the title. Maybe let us say the title here is school. You see, so this is here. I can navigate on this side to move to the first slide, second slide. Hope everybody is seeing that. So as easy as that. So June 2024, when they're asking you to create slide, this is how you'll be doing it. You create only one slide and you duplicate now and just modify it to avoid wasting time. So the next question they can ask you is to insert image. So you go to insert. So you click on picture. You choose any picture. So let me just say I want to choose one picture. This is a picture here. Good. I hope you are seeing that. So this is the picture I've inserted. Now you can move it and you put it where you want. So this is all in fact. So place this is all what they can ask you in the exam. So majority of your question is either to insert or something like that. Now you can move to this level to design. Is everybody saying design? Good. Now in the exam, if they ask you to design the page the way you want, you can move to design. Let us say I click on this first design. Good. Wait, let me select the slides first. Good. You right click on that. So the first was not taken. You see. So this is the second one that is taken. So how we are seeing this design. So I can click here also. This one too is not taken. In fact, just to tell you that in the exam, these are the type of, they can ask you to create a design. So everything is up here. You just select your design and you use it. You see, June 2023, the design they're using here. This one here. So this is where we are choosing design and you can write your text, you write everything you ship. This is all. So the next thing as please, everybody should move and look now the video on June 2024 that I did. No, June 2023. So I did a video where we are solving a normal question. So this first video was just to have the general idea and people should see how to create slide, insert image, put text. This is what is important for you, nothing else. So I think it's all for this video. So see you in the next video. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave also a comment. So this is all what we are asking you. You are not buying to look all those videos. So if you have enjoyed, let us meet in the next video for June 2023. Now after looking this first video, please move to answer June 2024 so that if you're having any problem, you can just text in the comment section. Thank you and see you.